Hey guys, Momojiri here. I just came back from a tournament and I got 3rd place and I got 7 packs of Legacy of the Valiant. Wanted to come first, but I lost to a Samurai player who's really good, and yeah. So after I got the packs, I wanted to open it at my locals, but my girlfriend gave me a great idea to actually take these packs and open it on video and show you guys what I got. I want to do it that way. So first we got Chronomaly, Taco Crusader, Sylvan Guardian Orc, Swordsman from a Distant Land, rank down match Numeron Force, and our first pack is a secret rare. Rainbow Karibo. Interesting. Then we got Gorgonic Gargoyle, I think. I'm not even going to bother pronouncing that one. That's a Sylvan, and Overlay Buster. So, first pack. Interesting pulls already. So we got Raccoon deck. Another Chronomaly. Taco Crusader. What's this? Another guard. These are almost the same cards. Weird. Then we got ZW Shiro Strike. And that is super. Oh, I think this is the cover card. Sylvan Flower Nate. Huh, not bad. That's 2 hollows. Then we got Luminous Dragon Ritual. Photon Cameraman? Oh, Photon Chargeman. Ghost Trick Yeti. Stand Up. Oh, they come in this set. It's a spell card. We have Nikitama and what's this? Oh, and just a rare. Alright. 2 for 3 now. Let's see if we could pull some more hollows. I'm hoping for the Shine Arc, but anything's really. Then we have Ghost Trick, Neko Musemu, Overlay Sentinel, Serene Orca, what's this? Purge Ray, oops, getting comments mixed up. Ujinji Peacock, and nothing. Alright, 2 for 4. Let's see what we can get. I'm hoping for at least 3 hollows, but I really want Shine Arc. Alright, so we have Swords from Distant Land, Ghost Trick Mummy, Gravekeeper Ambusher, Gorgonic Golem. The rare is Leo, and the hollow is nothing. Alright, 2 packs left, folks. Let's see if we get something here. Alright, we have Ghost Trick Mummy, Gravekeeper Ambusher, Gorgonic Golem, what's this? Fujinji Agalia? The Jewel, whatever. We have number C69, Heralded Crest of Horror, and nothing. Alright. Last pack. Come on, one more hollow. Ew. That's tough to open. So, alright, let's open it backwards. We have Sylvan Blessing, Photon Chargeman, what's this? Deep Space Cruiser 9, Luminous Dragon Ritual, Purge Ray, Ghost Trick Yeti, Ujinji Unity, and wait. Ghost Trick Museum, and last card is what's this? Ghost Trick Skeleton. So, we got some hollows, right? So for the recap, it is Bujinji Unity, C69 Heraldry Crest of Horror, Leo the Keeper of Sacred Trees, Bujinji Peacock, Nikitama, ZW Assure Strike, and Rank Down Magic Neuron Force. For the hollows, we have Sylvan Flower Knight and Rainbow Karibo. Secret. Something's better than nothing, right, guys? Alright. So, that's it for today. Hope you guys like it. Comment, subscribe, like it, and I'll catch you guys next time.